Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fahima. For those of you that are new, I hope everybody is staying safe, staying inside and taking precaution. If you don't have to go outside, don't. Before we get into this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is a review about a purchase that I made over a year ago, wear and tear, all that good stuff. So I purchased a Louis Vuitton Zippy Multicart wallet. It's in the print monogram. The style is fuchsia. So this is how it looks. And the zipper is a ribbon style, also in the style fuchsia. So when you open it, on the inside, it has the Louis Vuitton made in France, I believe. Right. Just wanted to make sure. And it's an accordion shaped style, which is so cute. It has the gold on the sides, on both sides. Unfortunately, the bottom of this wallet has an opening, like it's not closed for you to put like coins and stuff. I personally wouldn't put coins in here because it can, let me show you guys, like, you see like how it's not secure at the bottom? Yeah, I wouldn't put coins in there because I feel that it will get mixed up and it won't stay in place. So if you have like a key pouch, definitely, yeah, I would put your coins in there. It has 10 card slots. 10 card slots. I could on average like put like maybe 2 to 3 cards in one. So you have a good amount of space to put your cards, your everyday essential cards in here. So if you want to, you can just put 1 per slot, or you can double and put 2 if you want. That's what I do sometimes, you know, because I see I'm doubling up on cards now. But that has never been an issue as to not having the space to put it in here. So also, what I love about this, you can definitely put cash in here. Just fold it in half and you won't have no problems opening your wallet and seeing that it's tearing your cash. Like this wallet, I feel like is very useful because it's very small, but that's something that I wanted. And the fact that you can put both cards and cash in there, it's a plus for me, definitely. And I use this literally every day for the past year and I've had no problems, and it's still good as brand new. Like you see, like even looking at it, there's no wear and tear anywhere. I take very good care of my wallets and my bag. So even after a whole year, there's no tearing or damage physically. I mean, maybe like some pen marks, but I don't really see them right now. But other than that, I'm happy with my purchase. I don't think they have it on the website as of right now. They took down a lot of stuff. Maybe they will come out with different styles, but not the same exact print. I'm not really sure, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.